Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Phone so you can change how calls are screened. Once in Phone, locate the Call Blocking and Identification or Silence Unknown Callers entry depending on your iOS. You do this because spam blocking features live here and vary by version, so knowing your iOS helps. Make sure to have any third-party spam app installed visible in this list. Once you see the relevant option, you're ready to tap through to disable specific filtering or identification serve. Once done opening the phone settings, you'll either toggle off Silence Unknown Callers or manage third-party identification. You tap the Silence toggle to stop unknown numbers from being silenced so calls ring normally. If you use a spam app, go into Call Blocking and Identification and turn off that app's switch. This stops iOS from using its database to label or block calls. Make sure to confirm any prompts and return to the main phone screen to verify the change took effect. To finish, you test the change by calling your iPhone from a number previously blocked or by asking a friend to call. This proves the blocker is off. If calls are still silenced or labeled, restart your iPhone to force settings to refresh and make sure the spam app is fully disabled in settings. If problems persist, update iOS or temporarily uninstall the spam app, then reinstall. This often clears permission issues. Remember, toggling back on is the same steps in reverse if you need protection again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.